Hello everyone! My name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a yarn wrapped letter. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you weren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather these supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what you will need: cardboard, yarn, a pen or pencil, and some scissors. Step 1. Trace the letter that you want to make onto your sheet of cardboard. Step 2. Cut out the letter you just traced. Ask an adult for help with this step. Step 3. Start by tying your yarn once around your letter, so it's secure. Then start wrapping your yarn in whatever pattern you want. I used pink, white, and purple. Step 4. Draw or color any exposed cardboard. Step 5. Put it on display. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Friday at 4 for a new Tween DIY. We will be learning how to knit using cardboard rolls. Please share any pictures of your craft with us on our Facebook and Instagram.